Is there no way?
Yeah.
Bro. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. As if you couldn't tell, it looks like I know what I'm doing today, which I don't. Today is the dove opener here in California, September 1st. We're about to go pick up Sam and try to shoot some birds, and let's see what happens. Let's go. All right, folks, we're here. We're gonna do it. Let's go kill some dove. See how it goes. Come with us. First one of the year, boys. I just come up over. There were 3 of them sitting here, and I was like, you know what? I'm within, huh?
Did you get 2?
No, I just got 1. Back there.
Nice.
Well, we're not skunked, so. A big ass hole.
Nailed that one.
Did you?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I saw a bunch. I only saw 2 get up and fly. Is there no way?
Yeah.
Bro! Yo!
That was a fucking snipe.
Yo, we're out here. Sam got his first bird, and it's a band. A band!
Fucking banded dove. That's dope. Dude, that was a snipe. Did you see that shit?
A good pass shoot.
Yeah.
Dang, yo. So we're on the board with 1 and 1. But I think that one takes the cake. That's badass.
For real. Fuck, let's just keep feeding.
All right, let's go, guys.
This turned into being fun.
Yeah?
Dude,
Damn.
that was a snipe, too.
Yeah, they're just hanging out on the ground eating.
So we just gotta jump them.
Yeah.
See, I wanna look at this motherfucker again. A f***ing banded dove. That's insane.
I didn't even check this one, to be honest with you. Like, yo, guess what you're missing out on, big guy? Yeah, I thought I saw more. I counted like 5 or 6, and then only 2 of them took off. I hear one. I hear it right above us. I get him. Yep. Ah. I see him. He's right there. Behind you. Got him. Good shot. Come here, doggy. Another band, eh?
Yeah, right. That was a good shot.
Yeah. The pass shooting king over here.
As soon as I heard him, and it was like, I heard the wings, and then as soon as you said, right behind you, he must have just been chilling on the ground.
Yeah, I think so, because when I heard him, I think he had just gotten up. I mean, that's a good giveaway for the dove, that little...
Yeah. It's their wings, apparently.
Really?
That's what I've heard. That's what I've always been told growing up, too.
I'd say not so bad for our first little foray. Well, folks, the first dove hunt was successful. We ended up with 4 dove, 2 each, and Sam ended up with this sweet band. Check out the video. Let me know what you guys think. We got more of this coming, obviously. Look at this, 4 right there.
Motherfucker.
Yeah. It's kind of hot already. It's only almost 9 o'clock in the morning. So hopefully on days that we're not working, we can get out here a little bit earlier and see what happens. We're also thinking about getting a mojo, because from what we've heard, they are attracted to motion. But yeah, we had quite a few opportunities this morning, but we both are not very good at shooting. Myself in general. Sam had a couple of really nice pass shots that you guys would have seen. But yeah, so make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Appreciate every single one of the likes. Like I said, more of this will be coming. Duck season, this is just a primer for us to get to that point. So like I said, hope you guys like it, and until next time, see you.